Hi, deal stealers. This is Simply Tamanisha, and I'm back with a very quick, crazy Kroger Kart shopping haul. Okay, you guys, so this sale ends today, but I just want to use it as a reminder to let you know every Wednesday Kroger starts a new sale, and you need to get the new ad and see what's in there that you may want to purchase. We are in hurricane season, so it is important that you have some staples in your house, and one of those things is to have some of this shelf staple milk. It expires next year, and if we have another hurricane or vortex or whatever it is, you guys will have milk alternatives in your home that you can use to feed your family. Okay, the Captain Crunch is on sale for 99 cents with a 5-time use coupon in the Kroger app. Guys, they have lots of coupons in their app for buy one, get one free. For example, this Nestle Pure Life, buy one, get one free. The Body Armor Edge, buy one, get one free. The Sea Force water is free. You get a free bottle when you upload that app. Now, the Nourish water with the vitamin C, and this is new to me, but it was 10 for $10, so they were $1 a piece, and I grabbed 4 of them. They have already been gone down, so hey, it's a good thing, especially during the day, to help you keep your energy going. Those B vitamins right there, and the vitamin C is great for your immune system. Now, this Pellegrino water is on sale 10 for $10, and if you pair it with the coupon that you should have from several weeks ago, you'll be paying $2 for 3 bottles, and I did grab 6 of these. And one last important detail that I want to share with you is that I forgot. Okay, it's that Tyson Chicken is having a recall on their chicken products. So you want to go online, look at that recall, and take that food. You can take it back to whatever store you brought it from, and they're going to give you a refund. I forgot to tell you guys a couple of things too. These Herdez salsas were on sale for 77 cents, and these were on clearance for $1.74. And this was on clearance for $2.74. And I didn't have a renew coupon that matched this size this time, but if it's on the white tag closeout, you can pair it with coupons. Now, that's different from when you have a digital coupon, but when it's a closeout deal, white tag, red square around the tag, that means you can add a coupon with it. All right, guys, I hope this video has helped you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.